Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Adobe Spark for Education. So if you work in a district like I do and Adobe Spark has been added for education, just type in the name of your district. So where I work is Methacton, so it would be methacton.org, and then you would be redirected to your sign-in. You sign in and you're ready to go. Now right up in here is where we can create our first presentation, or a graphic if you will, and you can see the options to search at the top, or you could come down right in here and just select one. So I'm going to select this one here, give it a little time to load, and then you'll see the 4 pictures that come up. Just to show you real quickly, you can go ahead in and replace it right away with some other free images. So let's just choose this one in here if you like that one a little bit better. You could go ahead in and delete it as well, and delete the photo. And then if you wanted to add a photo, you can see these options in here. You could also upload a photo from your computer if you'd like to. I'm just going to put in a picture of my wife and daughter from last night making New Year's Eve slime, which was kind of cool. Now, just notice down in here you can also change the grid and see how the pictures, how you would like them to be set up. Of course, you can come right in here and edit. So you can just go ahead in and just change this to say sample. Okay, you can stretch some things out if you'd like. You can go ahead in and change, you can center it. You can change the size, the letter spacing, the opacity. You can even go ahead in and change the style if you want and see what you think would be better. So I'm just leave it just like this for right now. Again, I can stretch it out. You can delete it if you want. You can always go back in and add, and so on and so forth. Now, if I go up, and if I just click out of here, you're going to have these options that come up. So now if I want to change the colors, I can go ahead in, and you can see how it changes right in here. And there are obviously numerous options to take a look at. So obviously you can change the layout, you can resize some items, you can change the design, and you can go ahead and add a logo, some more text, so on and so forth. But when you're ready, let's just say this is how we want it. You can go ahead in and share it, and you can see these options right in here: Facebook, Twitter, Classroom, email, or a link, and you can also download it. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do more posts in the future. Take care. Bye-bye.